As we head into 2025, it's the perfect time to set new goals to become even more prepared for emergencies. Here are 10 detailed resolutions for every prepper. Rotate your food storage. Regularly check and replace expired items. Set up a system where older items get used first. This ensures that your stockpile stays fresh and usable when needed most. Grow your own food. Even if space is limited, start a garden. Herbs, vegetables, or even fruits in pots can boost your self-sufficiency. Consider learning about canning and preserving your harvest to extend its use. Expand your water storage. Water is critical for survival. Ensure you have enough stored for you and your family. Invest in filters or purification tablets so you have a reliable way to make any water source safe. Improve self-defense skills. Whether through firearms training, martial arts, or even learning basic hand-to-hand combat, having the confidence to protect yourself and loved ones is invaluable. Make practice a regular habit. Upgrade your first aid skills. Knowing how to use a well-stocked first aid kit can save lives. Take a CPR or basic first aid course and understand how to treat common injuries you may encounter in an emergency situation. Check and maintain communication tools. In an emergency, communication is key. Regularly test your radios and backup power sources to make sure they're in working order. Consider a backup satellite phone or ham radio for worst-case scenarios. Upgrade your survival tools. Ensure that your tools, like multi-tools, knives, and fire starters, are durable and ready for action. Invest in tools that offer multiple functions and can withstand tough conditions. Practice your survival skills. The best way to ensure you're ready is by practicing. Go camping or take survival courses. It's one thing to know how to build a fire or shelter, but another to do it under pressure. Strengthen community ties. No one can survive alone for long. Build a trusted network of like-minded individuals. A strong community can share resources, skills, and provide support when disaster strikes. Evaluate and improve your plan. A preparedness plan is a living document. Regularly review and adjust it to address new threats or changes in your environment. This ensures that your plan stays relevant and effective. Each of these resolutions will help you be better prepared for the unknowns that 2025 may bring. The key to success is consistency and a willingness to learn and adapt.